This is Nagashekar Gargu from London Institute of Engineering and Technology, pursuing a Bachelor's of Technology under the stream of Electronics and Communication. The main motto of this video is to demonstrate my project, which is done in the Salesforce, and it is offered through Smart Bridge Intern. So I'm here with a project titled Cosmetic Store Management. Uh, First of all, we create a developer account for performing any operation. After that, we create and required objects. Here we created an four objects named our customer, consultant, retailers, and others. Now we will see where the objects were created and how they are. For this, we need to uh, click the gear icon and enter the setup mode. After that, we go into the object manager for viewing our custom object. Here is the example. We will view the object named consultant by searching it in the search bar. Uh, After clicking it, we get the fields and relationships present in it. After creating all the objects required, we will enter the required fields and relationships in unique objects. First of all, here is the fields required in our customer objects. In the same way, we create a field in a consultant object, fields in retailer object, and field in other object. See here we have created the consultant object. In this we have uh, created a many fields, for example customer name and all. After that, we need to create a page layout which is useful for how the application is visible to the end user. So here are the steps for updating page layout as per our requirements and all. After that, here we see a page layout. The layout describes how the application is visible to end user and how it's manifested. After that, we we build a lightning app. uh, the lightning app simply means it's an application where the project runs on it. So we create an lightning app named urban color, uh, where the store's name is also an urban color, so we choose that. After clicking on it, we can see our created objects and the fields and relationships present in it. And next, we create required profiles in order to manage the business. For example, we create a profiles like a manager, customer, and marketing executive, and etc. Here we create two profiles. Uh, First one is a store supervisor, and other one is a marketing executive. We will create the profiles by using the provided steps. We can enter into the profile section by entering the name tag profiles in a quick find box. After entering into it, we can view our required profile. Here we have created a billing operator profile. After that, we set up roles. Roles is actually mentioned for restrictions on the profile. For example, marketing executive have certain limitations on the application, and manager have a certain limitations. So we manage those limitations by setting up the roles. Here we can find where the roles are. See how The hierarchy follows. After that, we create a users in the sense it may be a customer or anyone. See here, we create an user by using those instructions, and we keep certain and limited limitations on them. See how I am performing the operations here. I have entered the users tag in the quick find box and entered the user settings. Here the user is K Amar and John Teddy. We can customize as per our requirements and the customer requirements. Next one is user adoption. Uh, we can create records based on the customer transactions and the transactions made by the company and other. Uh, Here are the instructions for creating our customer record. After creating the record, we can view, and these are the steps for viewing the record, and we can modify or delete whatever we want. After that, as we are building the project readily, we use some ready-made customers. Here, see, we enter into data import wizard setting where we have uploaded our CSV file where it contains different customers with their transactions and transaction types. Here we will see what type of data is uploaded in the monitor bulk data load jobs. After that, here we see we have given a certain users with the transactions and their complaints whatever they want. We are gonna create a report from it. See, here is my record where the reports are based on my comma separated value file. See, this report shows the transaction type made by the customers. After that, we have the report, right? From the report, we can create the dashboard. Dashboard is a visual representation of a report. See here, we have created a dashboard for what type of transactions made by the customers. See, here is the report. Here 18 users made transaction using net banking, and 3 users made the transaction using cash mode. So this is my project demonstrating the cosmetic store management. Thanking you.